got our tickets and we're about to board.
All right, we'll pick it back up in Bruges.
Yeah.
To our hotel room in Bruges.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
This is awesome. Our first stop in Bruges was Church of Our Lady. We came here because it's got a little known statue called Madonna and Child by Michelangelo. You can walk inside the church for free, but if you want to see that statue and some other really cool works of art, you have to pay €7, I believe, per person, but it was totally worth it.
Whatever.
These canal tours are also super popular activities to do while you're in Bruges, and I highly recommend that you don't miss out. However, if you're gonna do this, do it either first thing in the morning or last thing in the day, because if you choose to go in the middle of the day, you're gonna wait in a really long line. So just kind of wait until everyone who's doing just a day trip to Bruges leaves, and then you'll have a lot of the city to yourself. The tour guide will give you a lot of good information on Bruges, so maybe try to do it the first day that you're there so that you can get some background history, and it's a good way to explore the different neighborhoods that Bruges has to offer. Also, it's not that expensive. It was only €10 or €15 per person, and it lasts about 30 minutes.
So the tower slowly leads over to the right every year, a little bit more, so 15 years from now we have the second tower of Pisa on our hands.
Looking for a place around the square to get some coffee and some food. Today the plan is just to go to the Basilica of the Holy Blood. So we're going to go to a French fry museum. We're going to go on a beer experience. It's a museum, it's called the Beer Experience, so we're going to check that out. When we get a chance, we're going to climb to the top of this bell tower. So it should be a fun day.
We'll see if we actually can do all of those things.
Yeah, we'll see.
Okay, a little bit of a letdown. We never actually made it to the top of the tower because we had no clue that you needed reservations for this.
Alright, so this is my first Belgian street food. Belgian waffle dipped in dark chocolate with hazelnuts.
God.
Very good.
Okay, now talk about what's behind you.
This is the Church of the Holy Basilica, or Holy Basilica?
Basilica of the Holy Blood.
Basilica of the Holy Blood. This is the church that is known to contain a vial of Jesus Christ's blood. So
that's awesome.
It's pretty awesome.
We just stepped into the Beer Experience Museum, and it's actually really cool. It's kind of pricey, $16 in the experience of your tasting at the end. You get these headphones and an iPad, and all you do is you go around. There's nothing to show. You point the iPad at different items in the museum, and it'll tell you all about it. It's really cool. totally worth it. It's got sensory exhibits, and it's not just for adults. Kids can do it too. They've got a cool kid comic strip thing going on. They've got great tasting tickets at the end, so make sure you get the tour with the tasting tickets. It's only a few extra euros, so definitely a must do.
Alright, we're here in Bruges. Keep getting to visit Brussels at a French fry museum. So far, just a lot of potato exhibits. Learning a lot about the history of potatoes, so we'll see how it goes.
Like a 20-minute drive from Bruges, and to be fair, it is October and the season is obviously dying down here because everyone's breaking down, but it is extremely depressing. I hope it would be a lot better in the summer, but I'm not making any guarantees. The beach is big though, and it looks like it's actual sand, not rocks like what you see in most other European countries. This is my own personal opinion that's being formed during the off-season, so I definitely recommend that you come yourself and check it out, but maybe pick a sunnier month.